Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Dunk Low X Off-White. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Dunk Low X Off-White basketball shoes, and this pair is in the men's UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44, Brazil size 42, and it's in the women's US size 11.5, and this pair is in the multicolour, or sail, neutral grey, total orange colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by lifting up the box lid to reveal the contents inside, and just setting the box lid to the side and giving you a look directly inside of the Nike Dunk Low Cross Off-White box packaging. And now peeling back the wrapping paper or packing paper to reveal the shoe. And now let's lift it out from the box and just closing the box back down and replacing the lid and setting it to the side, so setting it on the left hand side of the tabletop and bringing the Nike Dunk Low Cross Off-White in view. And let's do a 360 rotation so you have a full and clear look at the shoe. And now taking a closer up look at the details of the shoe, so you can see the overall details with the neutral grey and of course the sail colours, and of course the total orange for the external laces or lacing system. So we can see the suede overlay around the toe or front of the shoe, and the sides has a medium level of coarseness for that suede. And of course, moving right along, once again we see that suede applied on the Nike swoosh and the panel underneath it in sail with a very fine grain detail leather. And at the heel of the shoe we see the 31 of 50. The of is in a vertical orientation, and taking a look towards the back with the overlay around the heel counter, once again in suede in that neutral grey. And we see the stitching details right around as well, the heel, and we see the printed or applied Nike in black on the heel tab. And moving towards the inner side, we see some Nike details, and of course circa 1985 when the Nike Dunk was introduced, and that text detail is in silver, as you can see, reflecting the light of its surface. So continuing towards the middle quarter panel. We can see the eyelets for the external laces with the total orange lace or cord going right through them. And back to the front, and we can see the perforated toe box as well, and the details around it. And of course, not forgetting the security tag or zip tie with the red patch right there with some very, very fine off-white details. So just turning it around so you can see a little bit more clearly once there's focus on it. So right there, very subtle details. And on the reverse side, just plain and matte in finish, as opposed to the glossy finish on the reverse side. Okay, so closer in details, let's have a quick look at the eyelets. So you can see going right through the various parts of the Nike Dunk Low, and of course there's a little silver detail there with what I believe is a serial number and in silver. And now let's take a look at the shoe from the front or tip to the back. And we can see there is plenty of details all over, and of course there is a hang tag here, a paper hang tag with the made in Vietnam detail and plain on the reverse side. And now taking a look around the sole or collar of the shoe, beg your pardon, and the lace details as well. So we can see there is some text on the laces, and these are the traditional laces on the main part of the shoe. So shoe, and something about shoelaces, so shoelaces right there. And now taking a look around the collar of the shoe and tongue as well. So you can see the tongue has a open edge finish, and we can see the foam layer sandwiched between the external and inner lining. And to give you some sense of the material, just pressing lightly on it or squeezing it, and you can see it does have a light level of padding. And there is a Nike tag to the side. And taking a look at the reverse or back side of the tongue, we can see the lining details. So front does have a hole right through it. And taking a look right there, once again the details. And now taking a look at the collar, the ankle and heel collar. So very, very thickly padded, as you can see, right throughout the ankle and heel collar of the shoe. And let's take a look at the inside. So let me remove the paper stuffing on the inside so we can see the details more clearly on the inside of the shoe. So we can see the tag on the inside. and as well as the Off-White logo and material sticker, and of course the sock liner or insole in the what appears to be a reddish pink colourway. Similar to the backside and front of the tongue, as opposed to the total orange of the external laces. Now taking a look at the underside or bottom of the shoe. You can see that it is in the neutral grey finish. Right throughout, and the Nike logo in the middle of the sole. And now taking a much closer in look and just dragging my finger along the surface of the sole. And tapping on it as well to give you some sense of the rubber sole. And now let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of the stiffness or responsiveness of the shoe. Let's just try to get the camcorder to refocus once again. And now let's take a look at the white shoe, so setting the left shoe down and to the side and bringing the box back in frame and peeling back the layers of wrapping paper to reveal the right shoe of the Nike Dunk Low Cross Off-White. And replacing the lid back on the box. And now taking a look at the right shoe, and let's do a 360 rotation so you have a full and clear look at the shoe. And now taking a look at the close-up details. So once again we see that medium coarse suede in neutral grey right throughout the eye stays and continuing towards the heel counter of the shoe. And on the inner side of the shoe we can see once again the silver lettering and text under the Nike swoosh. And taking a look directly at the back, once again we see those details with the stitching, black Nike text and the suede heel counter. And let's the laces out and moving right along to the outer side of the shoe. Once again, we see those details. The label here with the 31 of 50 in blue and green in a marbled effect, and the silver serial number of the shoe. So once again, the overall details for the Nike Dunk Low Cross Off-White. So we see there is the paper hang tag as well, made in Vietnam, once again. And this side not having the red zip tie tag on it. And taking a look at the sole or underside of the shoe, we see the same tread pattern for the shoe. Now let's take a look at the pair together, side by side. And actually, before I do that, we should take a look on the inside, which I almost forgot, on this side of the shoe. So once again, the Nike tag on the outer side along the edge of the tongue, and the inner side or inside of the shoe. Once again, that thick ankle and heel collar padding. And let's pop out the paper stuffing that's inside of it so we can see more clearly the details on the inside. So right there towards the forefoot of the insole is actually a black Nike swoosh printed on it. You can just about see. And of course, taking a look at the inner labels. And this time around, it's the partial handprint on the heel of the insole. Now we'll take a look at the pair together, side by side. And from the front to the back. Directly from the back. And soles of the shoe. So that's the Nike Dunk Low Cross Off-White. Thanks for watching and happy scoring!